Thanks for stepping up to raise money for March for Babies. We have plenty of ways for you to get started and make a huge difference for families in your community and across the country. First, sign up at marchforbabies.org. There, you'll access your personal fundraising page that you can customize to include your personal story. You'll also use it to share your goal and progress, reach friends and family, and ask others to donate. Start off strong by donating to yourself. It'll inspire others to donate as well. Reach out on social media to share messages and photos. Post often on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Be sure to include a link to your fundraising page. You can also start a Facebook fundraiser. Your personal dashboard has instructions on how to engage with Facebook friends for support. Our email templates on your fundraising page make it easy to let everyone know why you're marching. And have fun with it. Your first email or social share can be a challenge to your friends to match your donation. So get started now at marchforbabies.org for helpful tools, tips, and inspiring stories to help you boost your fundraising and reach your goals.